Ebusian for my mouth akwaba eba Ghana Sam TVGH Mesrel. Like, comment, subscribe, and no notification no. So that anytime you post a video bit say we have some make Ebusian for ene ayekasa no. Fresh revelations about Rosemond Obeng. Na Medica posted 2 videos. And 2 videos no nyina. I mean, I kind of say full video of the current national youth organizer only Rosemond omu enya interactions any now ye part of adi biara ekọ so biawo office hodom no wababo tabekasa and some video me post it. Now after posting the video now I think some people got in touch with me say ebeya minye video na me summarizing sensem no na me church sensem no. The first thing they say Rosemond Oba MPP party ni mo no. Anse da nchesa. Na adom bi na MPP aban di dom na. MPP aban MPP party di dom na. Ehun say oye young vibrant lady. Na eba no MPP monso we don't have many women even body politics Ghana han. Ye ni ma dodo ma bebre sa. And let's encourage her. And no no deputy national TESCON coordinator. And start deputy national TESCON coordinator na Rosemond ye efa susa na osi opese onboa MPP campaign after Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia was elected flag bearer 2023 hono no ohona onu Rosemond ekoko onu ne oko or requesting meeting with Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na say me Rosemond and me pese nimboa campaign bibi o ho meet me ayama ariabua campaign I'm ready to do. Enti enye no krese na Rosemond oye juma ewo Jubilee House na onye juma o Jubilee House. Number 2 enye no krenso say na sa Rosemond no now Dr. Mahmoud say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia o ma juma sa debi from evidence ayenya say no 7 months pe na Rosemond our party office campaign office before ye pamono. Sa sem na Rosemond on catch them crofo. Ye pamono free MPP campaign office na otien. Na sa campaign office so no onye obia now ye receptionist. Our campaign office no. Me nka say receptionist juma anya juma po. But now onu Rosemond no a receptionist. But no opre hu. Enti opre ne hu nti no. E man crofo bebre wo office honum. We can say there be. Na girl yi. Bibia bokodi. Now from at insema yetiti ene. Chere say girl no. Obia we receptionist no. Meeting bia person otinim. Meeting bia person otinim. Eno kra na ma Sammy Awuku. Na Sammy Awuku. Bisa no say na what meeting we esa otna meeting we mu o say an me boss say meeting mo say there be meeting na ye no. You don't have anything to come and contribute in this meeting, so you're supposed to be in this meeting. Ebusian for another instance something say Rosemond ye now pray to the say now person on Rosemond never serve Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia aduane. Say sitting vice president ni duane ho no protocols I won ho no enya easy na person serve Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia aduane debi ekwan ni ho sa. And many other cases, any instances. As Rosemond abaiwa we no. Try say, a person will get it so close to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. To the extent say, na papa na kasa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Bisa say, na Rosemond abaiwa no. Mati say, oye pimp, nukrana. Yes, see, omutumiko campaign na. Hotel Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia obede mu no na girl we super so de sa hotel o person dem we dey den Enti ne nyinaa yɛ reveal saa aba abɔnten. Na anemia ne sɛ yɛn nkurɔfoɔ mu nim asɛm mu nyinaa no. Aden na girl we 7 days to election na ɔsɔre ɛde tia yɛ party no. Aden na mo anka ankyerɛ ya na yɛde anka yɛde rebate no. Maka mano to mu a ɛbɛsi nnɛ. Ɛna afei na mudi ama ba abɔnten bɛka sansɛn mu nyinaa. Aden MPP foɔ. Enti yɛka sɛ 2024 defeat no na internal saboteurs kan wa sɛmo information we nyina wo mo anka nkyerɛ girl we no free or movie from radio station to TV station chantro mobopa
abusia me ba ma blueprint at this useless NDC government put together omo pese omo di jai said inam tamaklu oba konfutatwi amo a wabɔ Ghana kro no wadi Ghana jirim ye ma me no mo ne ma hye wo kantaman to wabɔ mabro ama bi yare aba be duo mo so ebi e ka me no mo ebi kura fam wawu oba we wia Ghana sika 70 million Ghana cedis ni e kire a MPP aban a sentence in 10 years into prison me ba be kire this useless NDC government, full of criminals, full of sex offenders, full of drug laws. A person omujai sabai we omujai mama no normal man serving in prison sentence. And the video no message obenya abotre no ahwa ma akosi na ensem na meka na wati ni yi like na share na afofron so enya bi nhwe. Now enra 1 p.m. ana NDC aban e de said nam tamaklo ekopie mu e won sa wamu prison. Na mo be kaya 2 weeks ni akire ni ana US aban ebo said inam tamaklu eba Ghana said ombra no be serving in prison sentence 10 years. Now all this while no na NDC aban e de na kwakoshe luxurious private apartment bi all chile all ginani all enjoy or da air condition or dam papa so odi nuane pa nuane akese fufu animu ade na upon pressure MPP for ede to aban so no enra omo de na akwa kopie mu won se won mu prison but strategy ne say on dance awon mu prison enche na me ba be kire we kwan a omo ba be fa so atu sa na mo yi enra okopie mu prison honom no not wheelchair mu na wheelchair na wote mu no asekire wo honom and asekire ne say NDC aban ne create that false impression omo person omo da Ghana for say maame ne yare nti me no kase fiti ene ekopim Monday omo beyi said inam tamaklu free in Sawamu prison e de na 37 military hospital eso onkoje ayarehwe. That is what they are going to do. They are not going to allow her to be in the prison to serve the prison sentence. And to omu create that false impression omu tran to say ma me ne yare oma sheda ma na tena future mu. Mi wo free USA ba no nti future mu. But obedru Ghana ha say no oma sheda ma na tena future mu so ayare ana omo de na constant omu prison. Enti me ne wo kase fiti ene ekopim Monday. Mobeti say ya transporting said inam tamaklu every in Sawamu prison e de na kopie mu 37 military hospital. Now wo 37 ho na omo private rooms for esikafo high profile people. E ho na NDC aban e kwa akwaje e de maame na kwa akohye. Na waje sa ayarehwe na onyare no. Na sa private rooms no air condition wo ho en papa wo ho no. Unya dedicated nurses and doctors a omo ba be hwe. You be feed you kama. So that is the strategy. Omo de never koto honom for some time. Whilst omo process it, ne appeal case or person ye na NDC aban afaso e dia jail no. But ye person a serving notice to this useless NDC government. Say nobody is going to accept any kwekwananse story say maame ne yare nti mo de na ekwa koto 37 military hospital. O konsa we mu honom na. They have two standard hospitals. And that hospitals no there were inmates omo boni omadi less omo ndi boni bi eye serious obi wo hono ma wakofa obi 50 Ghana cedis onu obi ye adwuma wa wi na 500 Ghana cedis ni ya jail no obi kra anyam not that prison yet omo called those hospitals, those two standard hospitals no ye the inmates ko emo ye ko show mo ye show ma ni assign the omo akwa prison honom ye do kwa anopa ayere so anumre ni assign the wakwa to prison honom no wakwa da ma ade achi na ese assign the hospital na de wakọ no wakọje ayarehwe. Nobody will accept any narrative say ya de said inam tamakru eko 37 military hospital mo so oyare a Sa standards hospitals na ewo insa wamu no momfa ne nkɔ hɔnom. Onye nipa ensi omo dansa wamu prison na yɛde omo kɔ da hospital hɔnom. Enti Moses said in Tamaklo ne ho jojo no ne ho mfa no. Oyare a momfa ne nkɔ any of the 2 standard hospitals once a woman over time a serve inmate a omu share den di bo ebi no mo kra ye twanto na ato omo so ebi no mo ho a bibi bone keto ebi no omo adu ana omo akopi mu wo prison omo no ye mom preferential treatment ye mom any priority treatment ye mom any luxurious treatment ye do omo kɔ sa standard hospitals no mo kɔ di ayarehwɛ. And we will be insisting, we will be demanding, say the name Tamaklu Yarea. Mo fadin ko sa hospitals no. Obi a wabo Ghana kronom. We di Ghana jirim we bia Ghana sika 70 million. And mo pese mo mano. Eye priority treatment. Mo pese mo man that luxury to enjoy. Obi a say or what eye prison. We crying say nka modern concern. In some female ward no. Eye luxury. Because nipa da ho ye just 150 and ye crowded. E ho de celebrities ni high profile people eko. But mami we dream a we di Ghana nke so omo de ne kokumase. Ana se ankafo. E ho na ese nka omo de ne ko. Ense so omo de ne ko nsawom. Obi a wa bu Ghana afa so a enkrofo afemu ewu enkrofo abraba ye basa. Do you know enkrofo a omo niema hye ye wo kantamanto a because of said the name Tamaklu sika ye de man na wan fan komom we di sika no. Ohia dia brom omoma no mo universities they had to drop out of school and no mabraba ye basa. If we are telling you some of these things ube be one. This is a criminal obia oye nipa boni oye widinian and say Ghana your money any good treatment she needs to serve her prison sentence with harsh conditions. That is what this useless woman, this criminal should be subjected to. And any attempt to say ya befa kwaku eye kuntrase bi na ya mano eye luxury living bi na ya man serving a prison sentence he won sa woman will be resisted. Nobody is going to entertain that. In the NDC for no, we are sending you this warning say ene ekope Monday mo yesa mo de said the name Tamaklu call a 37 military hospital so onko dia yaresha. Nobody is going to agree to that. We would demand and we would demonstrate that Monfanin Cotton Sawamu prison. So area 2 standard hospitals near once a woman a bit me ashen. Or no pano kodia yaresha numero aqua that prison honum. Nobody will accept any strategy bia Mopase mu putting up now with DJ Mamma. It will not work. When him say Paul Afokwa ye in a different MPP. Kwabena Japan ye in a different MPP. Eye Canada Japan and ne shech or no na ne takra with Jima. Wo bomu incite MPP youth. Incite party for Emma finally ye omo different MPP. When that's so hard. Can Japan rallies MPP youth to demand a focus removal. Ghana Web. We Anyaman American. 22nd May 2015, Canada Japan rallies MPP youth to demand a focus removal. And then Canada Japan incite MPP grassroots MPP youth to say woman call yen headquarters asalam down no mon call chain a focus in free party office wardom. And then that's your honor. Pause Ghana. Canada Japan incite MPP youth to chase a focus from office. It was same day, 22nd May 2015. Canada Japan e kachere mebu no mu MPP mu say womunko no munko chimpo la foku in free office yen twinase emfa ne nto abonten obi a yen elected no as national chairman of the party. And enya no nko a tie ne Canada Japan san kapa Paul Afoko no. Or say MPP will collapse if Paul Afoko Japan aren't prosecuted. Chesenya no nko o say say MPP ba power. Paul Afoko ene kwabena Japan ye prosecute you. Ye prosecute you fi say boni a o maye de na bi nsi da and boni be na no o so o maye. And that's one. O say Afoko boys teamed up with NDC to raid MPP head office. Inti na kwadu ba ko a wode bo Paul Afoko ne so ni NDC for aka bom ADMPP nya. Ene Canada Japan any NDC for na corner krana or say MPP to benefit NDC ye the nan fofo oni mahama and a corner krana Sa kwadu o de ball Paul Afoko ne kwabena gya Japan a o inside MPP for say yen kotwe o masin free office yen yi o free party nim yen prosecute o MPP ba officer sa kwadu o do ball ne ne eno e bi ne ye de ball no sa bone a o se no o maye no ono kra de waye west what is good for the goose is good for the gander send ye ensuo ye ne sa na awia beye the chicken has come home to roost. Near the year Paul Afokunum, near the year Quabne Japan, a same thing near the Bay Canada Japan. May say MPP in Penny 4. Disciplinary committee. So when you can Japan and fee party. For several times, I will boo MPP, Mraswa attacking MPP, make Kamechamo, your party constitution, no more fanko to get them. More fanko to get them, so obit me boo party, and Mraso, and no, and yes, son. And you 4 times and you 5 times severally uncountable. Na yen fa yen san kano party no entimi gina constitution in twena aso de am. Ene na mo fa constitution in koto gatem. Afen so mamo nye se mo the guidelines and na rules be regulation be abeba bonte say govern any party activities including internal elections. Mamo try say mo be issue any guidelines and na rules ever. And afen so across the country, constituencies are etwa Ghana Asia. Mamon try that. Say man chicken e Japan so a obi bu party mraso wo constituency BM and region BM a mo be gina constitution so e de atwene so na so. Say man yi kan e Japan and free party ni ma. Mun declare MPP say a jungle party of lawlessness. Party a emra constitution enye adwuma. Party a nipa ba ko ho in constitution. That is what you need to declare. I'm saying say can I Japan ene ofiri say was so sing MPP party no nti yem panicho odin sem hunu kra ye ntonyo monfre no ono na ema yi afoko ene kwa bena Japan edi every party nim ono oye ni passion omono kra they were elected to MPP for na koto aba mom no me national officers omo kra yi omadi wo unyo obi a party nim sesi a o ye former MP you have no you need position be our party nim. I'm saying say MPP disciplinary committee no they should put the party constitution ahead of everybody. Na mo sanity embra party ni mo man crofo hunu say MPP enye weak party mo man crofo hunu say party no nipa ba ko ntimi hijack no mo ma Japan hunu say on so same party no sale